In today's video, I'll show you how to create conversational forms in Typeform step by step. If you want your forms to feel more natural, interactive, and engaging instead of looking like a boring questionnaire, this is exactly what you need. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. Then, either create a new form or open an existing one that you want to turn into a conversational form. Once you're inside the form builder, you'll already notice something important. Typeform is designed around one question at a time flow, which is what makes it conversational by default. Now start building your form by clicking Add Content on the left side. Add your questions one by one, such as name, email, feedback, or survey questions. To make the experience more conversational, keep your questions short, clear, and human-like. Instead of long, formal sentences, use simple wording that feels like a real conversation. Next, add a welcome screen at the beginning of your form. This is very important because it sets the tone. You can greet users, explain what the form is about, and make them feel comfortable before starting. After that, organize your questions in a logical flow. Think of it like a real conversation. Start easy, then gradually move into more detailed questions. Now you can improve the conversational experience even more by using features like logic branching. This allows the form to respond differently based on what the user selects, making the experience feel personalized and dynamic. You can also use personalized text by inserting hidden fields or variables, so the form can address users by name or show customized messages based on their answers. Another important part is design. Go to the Design section and choose a clean, simple theme. Avoid cluttered backgrounds so users can focus on one question at a time without distraction. Before publishing, always use preview mode. Go through the entire form like a user and make sure it feels smooth, natural, and easy to answer. If anything feels too long or confusing, simplify it. The key to a good conversational form is keeping the experience effortless. Once everything is ready, publish your form and share it through your link, website, or social media. Now users will experience a smooth, chat-like flow instead of a traditional form. And that's it. You've successfully created a conversational form in Typeform that feels natural, interactive, and user-friendly. And that's how you create conversational forms in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.